Guitar Bobby here. A little bit of Flat Picket. One of the oldest songs that I know. Still on that C chord. You add that D, second string, third fret, turning it into a suspended chord. Right back to G, to D. So it's just a C, just in the key of G, C chord is the 4 chord, and then D is the dominant 5 chord. Just running up that D string there. So easy, it's hard. Lived in Tennessee for 7 years, and that's when I discovered Flat Picket. Went to town the other night, hear noise and see a fight. All the people were running around crying, old Dan Tucker's come to town. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker, you're too late. Come for supper, supper's over and dinner's cooking. And old Dan Tucker just standing there looking. A little bit of harmonics. Slow that down. Just touching I'm using my little finger to touch the barely touch the 12th fret. Old Dan Tucker climbed the tree. He's loaded and master to see. And the broken man got a fall. Never got to see his Lord at all. Hey, get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to come for supper. Supper's over and dinner's cooking. And old Dan Tucker standing there looking. I've always tried to imagine what that came to town, swinging ladies around and round. First to the right, and then to the left, then to the one you love the best. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker, you're too late for supper. Supper's over and dinner's cooking, but old Dan Tucker just standing there looking. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And check out Old Dan Tucker. Great song.